Hello, let's see the part 3 now. This is the longer method, called Descartes method, which comes from the French mathematician René Descartes, 1596 to 1650. He was known for Cartesian skepticism, methodic doubt, methodological skepticism, universal doubt, systematic doubt or hyperbolic doubt. In the first step, given biquadratic equation, x to the fourth, plus ax squared, plus bx, plus c, equals 0, with no cubic term. The biquadratic equation must be equal to, say, x squared plus px plus q, times, x squared minus px plus q apostrophe, where q apostrophe is a duplicate of same variable q. On the right-hand side, this is a new form of biquadratic equation, fourth term, plus square term with q minus p squared plus q apostrophe, plus x term with pq apostrophe minus pq, plus constant term qq apostrophe. Next step, by finding the coefficients of these terms. X to the fourth is now neglected. For the square term, a is equal to q plus q apostrophe minus p squared. B is equal to pq apostrophe minus pq. And c is equal to qq apostrophe. For the next step, separating the values of q and q apostrophe. For the positive sign, say q plus q apostrophe equal to a plus p squared. And for the negative sign, say q minus q apostrophe equal to b divided by p. Fourth step, subtraction of square term groups. We write q plus q apostrophe in the entire squared, minus q apostrophe in the entire squared. That belongs to the left-hand side. In the right-hand side, we have to equate, as seen from the previous step. We write a plus p squared in the entire squared, minus b divided by p in the entire squared. Then simplifying them together, the left-hand side can be obtained as 4q apostrophe, or 4c, while other terms neglect. In the right-hand side, we write a squared, plus p to the fourth, plus 2ap squared, minus b squared divided by p squared. If you see the term p squared found in the denominator, multiply on both sides. Fifth step, let us consider p squared as t, rearrange them to get a cubic equation, as t cubed is equal to p to the sixth exponent. The cubic equation can be formed as t cubed, plus 2at squared, plus t times a minus 4c, minus b squared, equal to 0. The final step, t can have two values, by solving them with Cardinal's method. And x will have four possible roots. The method is seen from part 1 called sum and product of roots. You can create an example, rather than the general equation. Like, comment, and subscribe now.